The art of self-control. It was a rainy evening and Arjun stood in the front of a bright glowing bakery window. The warm, tempting smell of freshly baked bread and pastries filled the air. His stomach growled, reminding him that he had not eaten much all day. The rich chocolate cake, soft bread rolls, and glossy donuts looked like they were calling his name. His phone buzzed. It was a message from his friend Rohit. Hey, let's go grab some snacks. I'm starving. Arjun's finger hovered over the reply button. He could already taste the chocolate cake in his mouth, but something inside him held back. Arjun was not hungry. He was on a mission. He had been trying to control his cravings for weeks, aiming to live healthier, focusing on self-control. He had promised himself that today was the day to conquer his temptation, but the thought of the warm pastries was like the battle in his mind. A few months ago, Arjun was not the person he was now. He had always struggled with self-control, whether it was eating too much junk food, procrastinating, or getting easily distracted by things like social media. He lacked discipline. One day, after another unproductive day, Arjun stared at his reflection in the mirror. He did not recognize the person looking back at him. He was tired of feeling stuck and decided to make a change. He picked up a self-help book titled The Art of Self-Control and started reading. The book explained how self-control was not just about denying yourself things but reminding your needs, setting limits, and making better choices. It said, the more you practice self-control, the easier it gets. That statement hit him hard. He knew it would not be easy and the ability to face his impulses head on. Arjun started small. Every time he felt the urge to check his phone while studying, he resisted. Instead, he used the 5-minute rule. I will give myself 5 minutes to focus, then take a break. Slowly, his productivity increased. Instead of eating his usual junk food, he began making healthier choices fruits, nuts, and homemade meals. It was not always easy, but Arjun noticed that every time he resisted food, he felt proud. But today, standing outside the bakery, his resolve was being tested like never before. Arjun thought of his goals. He had been working hard on his fitness, studying for his exams, and trying to build a better future for himself. Indulging in a moment for weakness would set him back. He knew that it was not about the cake, it was about his long term goals and values. As he stood there, his fingers still hovering over the phone screen, Arjun closed his eyes and took a deep breath. He imagined the satisfaction of sticking to his commitment, of feeling in control. He thought of the pride he would feel later when he could say, I did not give in. After a long pause, Arjun deleted the message from Rohan without replying. He turned away from the bakery, walking back towards his apartment. The storm outside seemed to mirror the storm inside him, but with each step he felt stronger. The next morning, Arjun woke up feeling different. His mind was clearer and his energy was higher. He was not tempted by junk food and he finished his task with ease. That evening, when Rohan invited him again, Arjun did not feel deprived. He was enjoying the fruits of his discipline. He had discovered that self control was not about denying himself happiness, it was about choosing what would truly help him be happy in the long run. The next day, Arjun smiled at the mirror, proud of his progress. He knew that each time he chose to say no to temporary pleasures was saying yes to a better version of himself. Moral: the art of self control is not about being perfect, it is about making better choices every day. It is about the small wins that build up over time, shaping your future. Just like Arjun, we all have the power to take control over our impulses. Every time you resist a temptation, you are one step closer to becoming the person you want to be. Self control does not become easily, but with the practice, it becomes a part of who you are. So, next time when you face a difficult decision, remember the choice you make today shapes the life you lead to tomorrow. Thank you.